Hello everyone, so in this video I will show you how to identify a DHCP server that is offering PXE option in your network that shouldn't. So I have two DHCP servers in my network, and one is configured to offer the PXE for PVS, so for CDX PVS, and the other one is offering a different PXE for an Accent server unattended install. And yeah, in some cases you will have this issue in your network, that multiple DHCP servers offer multiple PXE boot options, and then you will have a little bit of problems in your environment. So let's first see the environment, the two DHCP servers. So we have one. So I have one. This is DHCP for from Windows based, and I have an additional one, a Linux based DHCP server. So system status DHCP. So this is offering between 200 and 210, I believe, and the other one is offering from 160 or something like that. But they both offer also the PXE option, etc, DHCP, DHCP, what do we have there? CPD and the .com. So this one is offering as an PXE server, so it's offering IP31, which is the same with its own IP. This doesn't matter, and it's offering this this file. And in my Windows-based DHCP, we have the correct configuration for PVS. Where is it? Server options here, and we are our PXE server is the PVS server, and we are offering this this file. So to test it, we will use tcpdump on a different machine that is connected with at least one network card in the same VLAN or in the same network where you have the issue, because this will just grab all the messages. So because DHCP is using broadcast, it will get everything from that VLAN, and we are not displaying it on the screen. We are just writing a log file. Let me see if I don't already have it. No, so I'm fine to start the TCP dump. We can already start it, and I will just create a new VM on my Accent server just to boot it up through PXE. So through the network, we don't have to give it anything, just a network card. Okay, don't start, create. and I will move the network boot upper. Where is it? So we don't need hard disk, just network boot. Let's move it up. Okay. Let's go to the console and let's see. So that TCP dump is running. We won't see anything because everything is written in the file, but let's see what we get at the first run. Now, as you can see, when we first started, the winning DHCP was the one that is offering the grub 64 file, which is not okay for us. Let's do a force reboot, and let's see if the second time we will have the Windows DHCP as the winner. And yes, okay, so the second time we have our correct DHCP response. Nevertheless, if you have two DHCPs in your network that offer two separate things regarding PXC, you will have a lot of issues. We can leave this like it is now, and we can go back to our trace, and we can stop it, and we will just take a look at the output, because I want to show you how this goes. And also, of course, this is an information for me later on if I forget it. So first thing that happens, your VM, so the VM that we started, is sending a discovery message, a broadcast message in the entire VLAN or in the entire network if you do not have a VLAN. And immediately after that, you have the response. So first DHCP server that responded was the 235.100. So that is the Windows machine. Where is it? Because this is the the address of the DHCP server. Even if it's also the DNS server, this is my home lab, so it has a lot of functions, but everything works as expected. So let's get back. So the first offer came from the Windows DHCP, and even if the Windows DHCP offered the first one, the informations, as you remember, it did not win the request, because after we saw it, where is it? So another one, offer, and here the 31 offered also. This is the Linux DHCP. He also offered, and now we need to see a message from that has an AK key, so acknowledge. So let's see, 31. Okay, so we're looking for this. So this was the winning one the first time, and the second one, the second time we did that reboot, we had a different response. Offer request. So this is the second request, I believe, and this is the winning one. Okay, so a lot of information, and if you have on your network, you have a lot of VMs that request DHCP IPs, you will have a lot of information here, and you will just find very hard your information. But we can use grep -c because I want to print 10 lines above the word. So we are grepping for AKC because this is the acknowledged. This is how we know that our VM accepted one DHCP offer, and -C10 will print out only. So let's go one more stop here, and again it will print out 10 lines before and 10 lines after the word ACK is found. -10 ACK and DHCP, our log file, and we should see in our case 2 or 3. Okay, let's see. So it acknowledged first one, it was from the Linux, the second one was also from the Linux, and the third one was from the Windows DHCP. So this was the correct one. Yeah, you will see multiple entries as we see here, because this is what's happening when you have two DHCP servers. A lot of traffic is generated because both DHCP servers respond to the same request, and this is not okay. At least you can have multiple DHCP servers, but you need to configure them to respond only to with PX configuration only to a specific request, so you do not have these issues. Or you can remove the other DHCP and just have one. So this was just a short video. Nevertheless, the tcpdump will help you a lot when you have this type of issues. And if you do not want to store it in a file and you want to see it live, of course you can just see live what's happening. Let's do another reboot. I'll just move the screen a little bit, and it will immediately pick up all the broadcast traffic from the network. And this time again the correct DHCP server has won the competition. So as you can also see here, yeah, I don't have PVS configured for this machine. It doesn't even matter, because we wanted to see how to capture the DHCP offer and response. Okay, thank you for watching. This was a short video, but this will help you a lot in your productive environment. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you liked this type of video.